All right. So you are on the screen. Great. So now quickly just to verify your tenant. So click on Microsoft Entra ID. This is your Active Directory and you can see it created one tenant for you, tenant ID, and this is your primary domain as your BBS session Gmail on Microsoft.com. Welcome to the Be Bright session classes. Let's starting from zero. Okay. So first of all, let's try to create account in Azure. What are the different subscriptions we have? How we start our journey in cloud? Let's understand that. So to start that, let's open a browser and type account.microsoft.com. Right here, you can click on sign in. When this page comes, there is an option create one. Click on that. Now, here you can type your email ID as I would have Azure. bbrightsession@gmail.com. For example, I'm using this email ID. Now I click next. So as it state that it has sent one code to your email ID. I have opened my email account and I can see it has sent one code 211277 211277. So it accepted. Let's fill the further detail. Whatever you want to fill, you can. Just type your name, first name and last name. For this tutorial purpose, I'm just keeping first name is Zero, last name Be Bright Session. Click on next. Now it's saying let's prove you're human. It says press and hold. All right. It's showing some important stuff regarding your privacy. You click OK. Click on next. See, it's saying sign in faster with your face, fingerprint, or PIN. So let's keep it later for this stuff. Click on skip for now. And done. See how fast you can create your Microsoft account. Now it's saying you have a pending security action. It's asking to add your phone number so you can do the multi-factor authentication later on. If you want, you can click on add now, or for now, I'll just close it. Now you can type portal.azure.com, which you recently created. All right. So you are on the screen. Great. Now, before we go ahead, let me tell you some theoretical stuff. See, when you come to the Azure, there are a couple of different ways to create your account. The ID which you have created, that is exactly you have created your account, but it's not associated with your Azure. right? So for that, you have to choose a particular subscription, either free account or pay as you go. So Microsoft gives you both the option. You have in front of you, like you can create a free account or you can create pay as you go. Even though if you choose a free account, it will work for 12 months, right? And you will get some amount of 20 plus popular services, free monthly amount of 20 plus popular services. You have $200 as a free amount, and then after finishing everything, it will move to pay as you go pricing. That means over here. All right. So this is something you need to understand, that the account which you have created, that's a Microsoft account, but to utilize the Azure services, you have to create a free account or a pay as you go account in Azure itself. Now, here from, let's click on start with an Azure free trial. So click on start, try Azure for free. Now, what it will do, it will use your already created Microsoft account to create your Azure account, or I should say Azure tenant. Right, so it will use the same ID. Now I would choose for personal use, India. First name, I will keep it everything as it is. I'm not going to change anything. Just say, okay, solve the puzzle. Let's quickly solve the puzzle as well. All right, it's done. Click on next. All right. Uh, let's keep it. Okay. So I'm keeping address India, city Ghaziabad, state Uttar Pradesh, postal code 001, accept their terms, conditions, and everything. Click on next. All right, it's moving to the payment part. And now this is important. So let's fill cardholder name, card, and everything. As it mentioned, you wouldn't be charged unless you move to pay as you go pricing. And even though if you move to pay as you go pricing, until unless you will not create any Azure service and leave it as it is, right? Till that you wouldn't charge. So yeah, you can fill this information. Let me quickly fill that. All right. Ultimately, I clicked on sign up. Now it's going to cut 2 rupees from my card. So my free sign up account has been created. So let's sign up. And now it's saying protect your account. Let's do that as well. Yes. And click submit. And finally, your account has been created in Azure. All right. So this is your personal account, right? Even though if you're working for a particular company or working under any organization, you definitely would have a different subscription. Maybe you will have an enterprise subscription or a uh, any Visual Studio subscription might be. So the company would have different subscription from Microsoft if they are partner with Microsoft, or they are already using any enterprise account or subscription, right? So you would easily be part of that. But right now, as we are starting from uh, zero and creating our own Azure accounts to learn everything, right? So we have created our own account, created our own subscription, and therefrom, you know, we came to this point. So now quickly, just to verify your tenant, so click on Microsoft Entra ID. This is your Active Directory, and you can see it created one tenant for you, tenant ID, and this is your primary domain as your BBS session Gmail on Microsoft.com. It gives you one Entra ID free license, one user which you yourself, and see some other services. We will explore slowly and gradually of everything. Now your one tenant is ready, you can invite other users or you can create other users if you want them to contribute over here, right? And here from we can start. So that's it guys for this particular first video as a beginner in Azure, right? So let's meet into the next video to start from other services of Azure. Till then, bye bye.